So I have another success story for you guys. Recently I decided to share two success stories, and it has sort of snowballed into a loop where the first success story inspired another creator to create their success, and now from that the next video that I shared another, and this person is actually one of my clients. Recently we had a coaching call and they had success. And this success has amazing points in it, two of them, that everybody who talks to me sort of misses, and because we get immersed in life so much that we forget about awareness, right? What are we aware of being? And so the success story starts with the same, it's the same sort of theme that they had to be paid by somebody a certain amount of money, and it had been 3 days. They were supposed to pay them in 1 day, but it had already been 3 days and no payment. And so this creator, they were laying down in the bed. They woke up in the morning all pressed about the situation, like, why this person has not paid me, this is so annoying and frustrating. I'm gonna tell this person off when I meet them. And here's the point: they caught themselves in the act of living in the end of where they have not been paid, right? You see, and it was literally like a state akin to sleep, SATS. They just woke up, they were in the sleepy drowsy state, and they were living in the end of have not been paid, and probably will not get paid, right? If you live in the end of something long enough, it becomes reality. But they caught themselves. And whenever I am talking with my clients, I realize that they know the law, they know everything, they know what's going on, but they don't know what they are being aware of. They repeat the story of not having what they want incessantly, and they live in that story. They are so emotionally involved in it, and it's not to blame. I have been there. It's very insidious, but my point is to make you aware of it, right? So they are so into it that they forget that they are living in the end of the opposite of what they want. And so this creator caught themselves in the act of living in the opposite, and they said, what am I doing, right? Why am I'm literally applying the SATs in the opposite direction. And then they said, okay, I'm gonna revise this situation, and I'm gonna say that I've already been paid. And then they say that I decided to distract myself from this mental chatter, and I hop on YouTube to watch some video, and I found your video where you shared a success story of a recent success story of somebody who watched your videos and they got their money paid to them in 4 hours. And so they then at that very moment they decided that I have already been paid. And guess what happened? I know, I get this question a lot. Is it really this simple? Recently a member asked me, like, is it really this simple? By the way, if you want to work with me one-on-one, if you're interested, link is in the description. Or if you want to join the membership channel where we have weekly live streams and I answer all your questions in depth until you're satisfied, the link is in the description. I'm already getting many success stories, so I will keep on sharing to inspire you guys. So basically this person decided in that moment that no, I'm not gonna revise it, I'm not gonna get paid, I'm already paid. And here's the thing where it proves to you that their consciousness created it, and it would not have happened anyways. Guess when they got the money? In less than 4 hours. Because they watched the video, right? They watched the video where I specifically said 4 hours, right? Because this creator got the money in about 4 hours. So this creator listened to it, right? The subconscious mind had this inspiration that if that they can get in money in 4 hours, why not me, right? And they did not reject, they got inspired by this idea. This is how subconscious impression works. You get inspired by an idea, you accept it, and then it happens. So they got money in less than they literally say in the email that I got money in less than 4 hours, which showed me that their imagination created it and my video inspired it, and it would not have happened anyways. And then they say that the money message came in less than 4 hours, that it has been credited, and the money was, I did not get exactly, but they said something like the money was already sent by this guy earlier, but the message was delayed a little bit. So this is another sign, not sign, this is another point for the guys and the gals who say, well, nothing is happening. I've been doing this for so long and nothing is happening. Well, things are always happening in the background. You don't see them. So this money was already sent by the guy to this creator. But the message got delayed because they were sort of, frustrated by the situation. So that frustration caused a little bit of a delay, right? But if they had taken it lightly, which again, not blaming, we've all been there, right? Because this is a human experience, so we get caught up in human emotions. But if they have been more unbothered by the situation, it would have happened like, just another day. Money is there, boom, everything is square. But sometimes we get annoyed by something, or we are expecting it to show up in a certain way. Another trap, right? We want it to be done in our way, and when it doesn't happen like that, we say, nothing is happening. I've been doing this for so long, nothing is happening. Well, the moment you say that nothing is happening, I've been doing it for so long, what are you aware of? Where is your awareness in that moment, right? Because this story of this wonderful story of this creator literally shows you that they were aware of something negative, like the opposite of what they wanted, and they caught themselves in that moment. That's where the shift happened, right? The shift literally happened when they caught themselves like, what am I doing? Why am I living in the opposite of what I want? That's when they decided to revise it. But then they are like, I need to calm down my mental chatter. So they try to distract themselves, found my video, watched it, and boom. Their subconscious mind literally showed them the exact video which was necessary for them to shift and decide, right? And then they decide, and it happens in a comical less than 4 hour timeline, right? Because I often, even on my membership side, I have some clients who regularly tell me stories about some of their manifestation, and there are some Easter eggs and some hidden things in them, in every single manifestation, that I always try to catch and point to them that your consciousness created it, right? In your manifestation, there will always be hints that will very, very be unlikely that would have happened anyways. And I say that because we go back to our old ways immediately. When we manifest something, we minimize it and say, oh, it would have happened anyways. And then we go back to our regular, mental BS. And so you must always take inventory of all things that you have already manifested and see these Easter eggs. So this 4 hour thing, right? This 4 hour thing proves to you that consciousness created it. They deliberately created it. And in many of, like in the previous story of my member, the guy paid them $100 or euros more, right? So they imagined 2,000, because they imagined 2,000. He had already paid them some money, and then he sent them 2,000, right, extra. And that literally shows you that their consciousness created it. My examples, when I was buying a flat in Russia, and I imagined a certain amount of money, right, in my mind. And dollar and ruble exchange rate is not in my control. I can never, no soul on earth can predict it unless you're Donald Trump, maybe. Nobody can predict exchange rates of the next day, right? And the amount of money that I imagine in my mind, down to the decimal point, I'm not even kidding, down to the decimal point, the way it was exchanged was down, right down to the decimal point, which is absurd. I think I asked Grok or Chat GPT this question, like what is the likelihood of this happening, and it gave me some infinitesimally small probability that it cannot happen. Like the chances of it being a coincidence are like this small. So these Easter eggs, catch them. Awareness is the key. First of all, who are you are aware of being, catch yourself, then decide that you are gonna be this, you are this now, you decide that, and then you don't go back on your word. And third, when manifestation happens, try to catch the Easter eggs, take inventory of what you have done and what you have deliberately created, and remember always try to remember that this is, I created this. And this will build your belief in your own self that yes, my consciousness is creating my reality. You have no idea how many clients I talk with, and they have manifested wonderful things, every single, because nobody on my channel, most of you guys who are on my channel have already made manifestation work, and you know that this works. That's why you're here, right? You have experience. So many of my clients tell me stories of, they have manifested wonderful things. And then they will be like, but I can't do this. Why? Because we try, when we have done it, we rationalize it and try to minimize it and say it would have happened anyways. And then we take our power back. We throw our power out again. And then, we fall back to the loop of being just a human. So it is very important for you to find the Easter eggs in your manifestation. Find these small details that prove to you that consciousness created it. It would not have happened anyways. And that builds your momentum, to live in your desired reality completely. And so back to catching yourself as well, right? So majority of manifestation is deciding. Like, it is that simple, really it is. It is about deciding, being clear on what you want and deciding that you have it, and then do not imagine or contradict it in your mind or with words, right? So do not live in the end of the opposite. Now, in practice, it may sometimes appear to be challenging, but really it's not challenging in a way that the mechanics are very simple. The instructions are binary. The instructions are simple, right? Decide that you are it now and do not contradict it, right? Now you could use some tools and techniques and tips like imagination, affirmations, journaling, watching videos of guys like me who talk about this stuff regularly so that it reinforces your, consciousness to accept this stuff and stay in it. And so all these tools, tips and techniques are there to help you, but ultimately the mechanics are very simple. You decide that you have it now and you do not contradict it. If evidence against it is being shown to you, don't assign any meaning to it. Say it is still working out for me, it's still working out in my favor, it's already done. And if evidence is shown to you in support of what you are saying, take it like, say that, of course, I created it, it's natural to me. Don't overhype it, just accept it as a natural part of your existence because you created it, right? Like if somebody is shifting into a reality where they're successful in business, let's say that they get some clients, not to their target, but they start getting some clients. They would say that, of course, it is totally natural for me to get these clients because I am abundant, I am a successful businessman. I provide great value to my clients, and so it's natural for me to get these people. And you enjoy it, but don't overhype it like, oh my God, because then immediately you get out of the state of having it as a natural way of being, then like like some miracle that you created. You are the miracle. Everything you do is a miracle, because the whole thing is unexplainable. It's a miracle. So yes, the mechanics are simple. Decide and have it now. And who knows, the 4-hour magic timeline may work for you as well, right? 2 people have already told me the story, so why not? But even if it does not work in 2 hours, it does not matter. Or 4 hours, right? Time is arbitrary. It's an illusion anyways. You just stay with your end and say it's done and live in the end. And it's gonna happen in ways and in timing that is perfect, right? So believe in the perfection of your greater self and stop micromanaging, and take inspiration from these creators who have done this wonderful success, achieved this wonderful success. And I will, if anybody has, just like these creators has had success with my coaching, with my membership, with my just watching videos, please send me an email, and in the title write success story, and then because I get a bunch of emails, so when it's in the title success story, I will definitely read, and I will share on my channel. It's just wonderful inspiration for others, and I enjoy it greatly. So this is it for this video. Until next time, bye bye.